Yes, so option A is the answer. Fine. So if you get okay, let's go through the logic. Now, so I was talking about the logic. So here G4, yes, someone has already written it to, okay, G4T. So what has happened in this case? If you consider the J9 R M20 P, and I guess last one P43 N. Fine. So in this case, this number, this number, this number, and this number, they are developing a relationship, and that relationship is 4 into 2 plus 1 is equal to this one. Now, this 9 into 2 plus 2 is this one, right? Then the 20 into 2 plus 3 is this one. So last will be 43 into 2 plus 4, and that will come 90. This would be the first thing related to the number. And if you consider in between the G and J and M and P, fine. So this will this is having difference of plus 3. So P plus 3 must be Q, R, and S. Therefore, here it is yes. Fine. Then the next one, P, R, T, and N. So in these, there is relationship of -2. Therefore, N minus 2 must be L. And therefore, here yes, 90 L should be your answer. Right, and therefore option A is the answer. Fine. Now next problem is A, G, M, S, Y, comma, C, I, O, U, A, comma, E, K, Q, W, C, comma, question mark, comma, I, O, U, A, G. So this is your question, and your options are G, M, S, Y, E. B is F, L, R, X, D. And C is G, L, M, X, E, and last one is the G, M, S, E, and Y. I think while seeing the screen, you have to only concentrate on the current portion. Whatever I have written for earlier question, you might not be seeing it. That is good. Anyway, so most of you are going with the option A, that is G, M, S, Y, and E. G, M, S, Y, E. Yes, it is. So what is logic here is, if you consider A, G, M, S, and Y, and the next series, that is CI, OUA, then there is a difference of I can say, let's say 1. That means the next after A there is B. If you omit B and if you go for the next one, that is C. Likewise, if you omit the letter after G, that is H, then later one it comes I. So likewise, you have to omit one by one, and you will get, or it is always very good, someone has written +2. So A +2 C, G +2 I, M +2 O, S +2 U, Y +2 A. Likewise here, E +2 will be G, K +2 will be M, Q +2 will be S, W +2 will be Y, and C +2 will be E. And therefore your option is A in this case. Right. So okay, I will write it here. So option is A. Okay, fine. So go to the next page. Okay, next question is little bit simple. A 3Z, comma E 8Y, comma I 18X, question mark. Option A, B, C, and I will write here D. So option A is N36Y, J38Z, M38W, M36W. Yes, most of you are going with the option C, M38W. So see what is further the logic is. So first we will go for the number. Right. So here it is 3 into 2 plus 2 is 8. Now 8 into 2 plus 2 is 18. Fine. The next one, 18 into 2 plus 2 is 38. But here there are two options, 38, right? So that is, now we have to go for again the letters. So A plus 4 is E, plus 4 is I, plus 4 will be J, K, L and M. Therefore, here it is M 38. Right. Again, you have to go for Z, Y and X. So Z minus 1 is Y minus 1 is X minus 1 will be W. Therefore, so option C will be your answer. Fine. Fifth one. 11 YBP 22 WDM 33 UFL and question mark. Options are A 44 SJH, B 44 JSH, C 44 JHS and D 44 SHJ. Please recheck your answer. Yes, some of you are now getting correct one. Yes, option D, that is 44 SCHJ is your answer. Can you find out the logic? So for numbers, it is very simple. 11, 22, 33, it is 44. Now, YWU. Okay. Y minus 2 is W, minus 2 is U. Now minus 2 will be yes. Then B plus 2 will be H. Fine. And the last one, P minus 2 will be N, minus 2 will be L, minus 2 should be J. Therefore, 44 SHJ, that is option D is your answer. Got it. Now next one. Six. K N 2 N L 5 Q J 10, then T H 17, and here is a question mark. KN2 NL5 QJ10 TH17 and question mark. Option A WE26, B WEF25, C VF26, D WF26. Why don't you recheck your answer? Nobody is, my opinion, writing the correct one. I think someone have really rechecked. Okay, now everyone is clicking option D, WF26. So answer is option D. Now let's verify the logic. So K, N, Q, and H. So K plus 3 is N, plus 3 is Q, plus 3 is T. Therefore, plus 3 must be U, V, and W. So W is the plus 3. Now N and L. So relationship in between N and L, right? So if you consider N, after N, N is N comes, and then later on the the L will come in, right? So N minus 2 is L, minus 2 is J, minus 2 is H, and therefore minus 2 must be F. So it is WF. And for number, right, now there can be two ways, right? But very simple, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3 plus 5, right, plus 7, and now plus 9, that will bring 26, right? So because of that, option D is your answer. Fine.
Sir,
Yes.
I had doubt in 2 to 3 questions. So when will it get cleared? After the session or now only?
Okay. Which question?
First question.
First question mean that we have left in.
No, that one. वो छोड़ के जो उसके बाद वाला करवाया था.
BRDJ.
Yes.
So what is your question?
I didn't understand how the answer came.
Okay, it is very simple. I think I haven't explained, but if you consider like here what we have done, so K plus something is N plus something is Q plus something is T. So that
Yes.
we have gone through here that K plus 3 is N plus 3 is Q plus 3 is H. Likewise, in that the series was BRDJ DTFL. So if you consider B plus 2 is D, right?
Yes.
Then next is FVHN. So D plus 2 is F. And everywhere plus 2 is the difference. That's the reason. Just I said it orally. I haven't written or as like this is being explained. Right. So in every letter, there is only a difference of plus 2. So
Okay,
previous
sir.
plus 2 will give you the next one. Right. So
Yes,
that
sir.
is the logic behind it. Okay. What about
Sir, and fourth one.
fourth one? So A3.
वो वाला.
What has happened? So A plus something is C plus something is E plus something will be the first letter of A, B,
Okay.
G plus 2 must be I, and your the last member of the series is IOUAG. So plus 2 is there. So everywhere the same is being followed. So G plus 2 is I, plus 2 is K, plus 2 will be L, plus 2 is O, right?
Oh,
So because of that, your GMSYE option number 1 is the answer.
the same
Got it?
logic is applied on every letter.
Every letter, yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Okay. So next question, question number 7. So R 324, P 256, M 169, question mark. So option A is the I 81, B J 100, C H 64, and I will write D here. O, sorry, it is K 121. So what is your answer? Akshay, why don't you check?
Oh.
Yes, everyone is getting now option A, that is I 81. Very simple thing is that here you have to only simply know uh, the okay. So I was talking simply. You have to know the two logics. First is about the letter and second is about the number. So if you consider the position of letter R, so R is coming at number 18. So if you take a square of 18, it becomes 324. Then if you consider letter P, which is at number 16, and that is squaring as 256, right? And M is at 13, which is 169, right? So in this way, you have square. Now you have to find out who will be the next letter. But for that, what is relationship in between R, P, and M? So R is subtracted by 2, and then P will come. Then P minus 3 will be M, right? And the M minus 4 will be your I, and therefore your option is A is the answer. I hope everyone is getting this. Next one. V6E 8 R 10 P mark. Option A is P12 N, B is P12 Q, C is P12 M, and 4 is O11 P. Click to option A. I think I understood. 6 plus 2 is 12. That is one number. Then B minus 2 is T minus 2 is R, therefore R minus 2 must be P. So minus 2. Again, T minus 2 is R minus 2 is P minus 2 will be N. Yes, very easy logic. Right. And therefore, your option A is the answer. Fine. BA, BA, and the fourth one is ACBA. So very simple again. Option BACA. So what is the sequence here is CCC, BBB, therefore 1B, sorry, 1B, then AAA, therefore A, CCC, therefore C, BBB, right, completed, AAA, therefore A, right, again next will be started as CC, therefore your option B is the answer. Fine. Okay. I guess I don't know. I forgot the number. Dash C D dash C D dash B C D A dash C D A B dash D A. The options are A, B A B A, option B, B A B B, option C, B B A C, option D, B A B C. Yes, option D is your answer. Yes. See, actually it is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. But here it has started by B, C, D, and the last one ended with the A, B, C, D, A. So B, C, D, therefore B, A, B, C, D, therefore this A, again A, B, C, D, therefore this B, and A, B, C, therefore this C, D, right? And this would be the coming here likewise, right? Therefore, option D is your answer. Fine. Now, the next one, Z, X, P, dash, X, Z, dash, X, P, P, X, Z, Z, X, dash, P, X, here is dash. Fine. So your options are A, ZP, ZP, B, PZ, PX, C, PZ, PZ, and D is PZ,
Hello, sir.
ZP.
हेलो सर
हाँ,
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 रिपीट करा के
question number
7
7. What is 7? R32. 4. Anyway, first go through this one.
Sir, we have so much less time.
Okay, just we will complete this one. So in this case, it will become ZXP, and now it is written reversely PXZ. Therefore, here there must be P, right? So that is the you can consider, let's say, this one for a while, right? Then here ZXP, right? So ZXP PXZ, right? So Z. Then ZXP,
PZ.
PXZ, right? So likewise, because of that, the option C is your answer. Okay, I will try to explain if time permits. The query raised by someone about question number 7. So R324, P256, and YUM169. Question number 7. So the number of R is 18. So square of 18 is, I think, 324. Then the number of P is 16, whose square is 256. Yum is having number 13, whose square is 169. And the difference between P, R, P, and Yum. So R minus 2 is P, minus 2 is Yum. So next will be the minus 4. So Yum minus 4 will be I, and I is having number